Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to send Chainlink tokens from Gemini to KuCoin in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know that moving assets between exchanges can feel intimidating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. This process is straightforward once you get the hang of it, and by the end, you'll be transferring like a pro. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Gemini and KuCoin, and that your Chainlink tokens are in your Gemini wallet. Always double-check your balances to avoid any surprises. Start by logging into your Gemini account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section and select Chainlink from your list of assets. Next, click on the Withdraw option for Chainlink. You'll need to choose the right network, typically Ethereum for Chainlink, so pick that to ensure compatibility. Now, here's the key part. You need the deposit address from KuCoin. Switch over to your KuCoin account, go to the Assets or Deposit page and select Chainlink. Copy the deposit address provided, making sure it matches the Ethereum network. Back on Gemini, paste that KuCoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Chainlink you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees if needed. Review everything carefully. Double-check the address to prevent any irreversible mistakes. Once you're confident, hit Confirm and approve the transaction, probably with 2FA for security. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your KuCoin account for the deposit to show up. And just like that, your Chainlink is now on KuCoin, ready for trading or whatever you have planned. One quick tip. Always verify the current fees and any updates to exchange policies, as crypto evolves fast. If you run into issues, reach out to customer support on either platform. Thanks for watching. I hope this made things clearer for you. If it did, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.